Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see blockade list on Snapchat. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Snapchat app. Okay, then tap on profile icon. After that click on settings. Scroll down. Okay, this option is blockade users. Just click, then see blockade list on Snapchat. Then 2% blockade user. Just click cross icon. Then you are sure you want to unblock this Snapchat. Okay, yes, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.